You won't believe this, what we've got for you. First off, we've got our hose pipe running into our container with our suction tube going directly to the Worx Hydroshot. So this is our Worx Hydroshot 56bar, and we're all connected up, ready to go. But today I've got a whole concrete area out here. So what we're going to do is have a test. I might well do this piece because it's really grotty around here. If you've never seen this before, this is actually a brush. Yes, no, really. And on there we got 4 little tips which spray the concrete. Quick connector in. Dead simple, innit? Once again, all you do is connect this directly straight in to your wand, like this. Then all we need to do is turn her on. It's important to make sure the water is actually coming through the Hydroshot so it'll work properly. There you go, it's coming through now. Oh, that is coming off lovely. So that's what it looked like to start with, this black colour. Just look at that. That's certainly clean now, isn't it, folks? Just look over there. You can see the black bit. Now you can see all that nice clear part. Okay, it does take a lot longer with a Hydroshot over a pressure washer, but then what do you expect from a pressure washer? So what do I think of the broom? Works really well, doesn't it? Yeah, it's really cool, and I would recommend getting one. So the brush will only work with the 56 bar. Don't try using it with a 25 bar, or as I've just been told, my Worx Hydroshot, the old one, is actually a 22 bar. It won't work with that. That's like trying to use this on eco mode. Eco mode won't be any good neither. And a bit of useless information today. This turned up for Worx Hydroshot. Yeah, I bet you can't believe this. The code on this item, it's pretty obvious it's a saw, and it says on there WA4039, an angle nozzle adapter. Is that really? This is what you get from Amazon. What do we expect? No more. I've been waiting 11 days for a blooming saw. Typical, isn't it, folks? We're going to use the surface cleaner on straightforward concrete without this stuff.